food channel. Sometimes we might have to cook both veg and non-veg at the same time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make two different curries with just one masala. For the vegetarian, I've taken mushrooms, potatoes, and green peas, a classic combination. And for the non-vegetarian, I have taken half a kilo of chicken, washed it with turmeric, and we're going to marinate this for an hour with ginger garlic paste, half a lemon, turmeric and salt. The ingredients for the masala are turmeric powder, cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, cardamom, coriander seeds, cloves, red chili powder and coriander powder, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, oil, peppercorns and coconut milk. First, let's prepare the Kongunadu masala paste. We are going to use the same masala for both the dishes. So after grinding the masala, we are going to split it into two portions, one for the non-veg gravy and the other for the veg gravy. So first heat a KADAI with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter. 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, 3 to 4 cardamoms, saute it for a few minutes. And add in about 1.5 teaspoons of peppercorns, one teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. We're going to fry it for a few minutes. And then add in about 5 to 6 dry red chilies, or you can increase and decrease as per your taste. One teaspoon coriander seeds, and fry it all together again for a few minutes. And then add in 2 chopped onions, and fry it till it's golden brown. Then we are going to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, or you can also use grated coconut. We have to cook it for another 2 minutes and allow the mixture to cool. So we are going to grind it into a fine paste and split the masala paste into 2 portions, one for non-veg and the other for the veg gravy. Next, we are going to start the tempering. We will also split this at the end. So for tempering, heat oil in a pan and add 2 small cinnamon sticks and 1/4 teaspoon peppercorns, 1 clove, 3 cardamoms, 1/4 teaspoon coriander seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, and quarter teaspoon fennel seeds. Saute it for a few minutes. And add in 1 chopped onion, saute it just for a few minutes. And add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and fry this all together till the onions are golden brown. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes, add salt, and cook till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. After the tomatoes are cooked, add 1 tablespoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Cook for another 2 minutes, and we are going to split it into 2 portions in 2 different kadais, one for the non-veg gravy and the other for the veg gravy. For the non-veg gravy, we are going to add in the chicken into the tempered masala and start cooking. And for the vegetarian gravy, we are going to add in the potatoes into the tempered masala and start cooking, and allow the potatoes to cook for about 10 minutes. Remember, our chicken is cooking in a separate kadai. And in the vegetarian gravy, next we are going to add in the mushrooms. Saute it and mix both the mushrooms and the potatoes together. Guys, remember, our chicken is... And then we are going to add half of the grinded masala paste into the vegetarian gravy and allow it to boil. And also we are going to add in the remaining half of the grinded masala into the non-veg gravy and cook till the chicken is tender. In the vegetarian gravy, after the masala is cooked for about 10 minutes with the mushrooms and the potatoes, we are going to add in the green peas. We are going to allow the vegetarian gravy also to cook. Once you see the oil is separated on the top of both the gravies, we are going to garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. So now both our gravies are ready at one shot, side by side. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do try this at your home and leave your comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fudchannel. Thank you. Bye.